Welcome to the Running a Fever Daily vlog, where I talk about what I'm doing every day to improve my health and what you can do to improve your health, because you can do that if you love your life enough to make it last as long as possible. If that describes you, go ahead and click that subscribe button, because we're going to all get there together, I promise. In a minute, I have a pretty important announcement to make. I know that I had one yesterday, but there's another announcement. I'm going to give it to you right after this. Okay, today is April 2nd, and that means yesterday was April 1st, April Fool's Day. So, did you fall for my joke yesterday? Did you think I was going to ESPN and doing a 1-minute show every single day and giving up the podcast and giving up the YouTube channel? I don't know. I thought it was a pretty good joke, but you can tell me if you fell for it or if you didn't. Please leave a comment below so I know. And I think it was kind of fun. I hope you enjoyed that. On April Fool's Day, what do we do? These are the 7-day averages. 206 on weight. Workout was strength training only. It was in the gym. Steps, 3129. Muscle mass, 150.5. That's up 9. 9-pound gain since, not even a year, since August. Body fat, 26. And our sleep is averaging 5 hours a day. Our goal for 2019 is 15% body fat. It's an interesting day. We had 1,795 calories, so kind of more than I have been having on average, but as you can see, there's, take a look at it. I ate a lot of different things because I worked out, so I did my supplement routine. At least in the morning, I didn't actually do the casein at night. And then I had, the usual kind of day, spaghetti for supper, but then I also had popcorn and some dessert after that. So, but still, it stayed under my BMR. It's 1795, so not too bad. So we're doing okay. Could be doing better, as always, and we're going to try to do better. But we're doing okay, and we're going to get there. So love your life, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.